What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're keeping well and staying safe in these unusual times. That being said, in the previous video you see me build an engine stand. I got tired of building my engines on the floor or on the bench and just kind of sliding around the blocks of timber in general. So that was a major help to me. So if rebuilding engines is your thing, definitely check that out because that could help you out a lot. So if you didn't find that video a complete insult to YouTube's platform, then please drop me a thumbs up, it really helps me out more than you think. So moving on to this video, this is going to be a two-part series. In part 1, you're going to see me remove the cylinder, the head, the clutch, covers in general, and just get the engine ready for splitting. In part 2, you're going to see me split the case and remove the transmission, where I found a few nasty surprises. Have a look for yourself guys. This is the IT490 that I purchased a couple of weeks ago. Got it for a good price from guys called a shop called Huggy's Speed Shop. Seems very good guys up there. You know, I'm sure I'm going to be back up there. They import a lot of stuff from America, not just bikes only, but cars. And I didn't get time to have a proper look around when I was up there, but I know I'm going to be back up there. But I went up in the Land Rover, threw this in the back, brought it back down. That was maybe 4 or 5 weeks ago now. But yeah, so I've had the head off, I've had the cylinder off, I've taken the piston out already. Fortunately, I've started on it already, guys. I haven't recorded it right from the beginning, but I've put the cylinder and head back on just to kind of get an idea. So when I was making this stand, everything was in proportion. But we're going to actually start a strip down now and split the cases and see what it's like. So far, when I got it, the clutch case was already off, which seems relatively clean inside. I'm not sure if you can see that there, but it was okay inside. It wasn't bad. There was no kind of that thick black grease that you normally get. So far it seems very clean. Like it seems like it's in mechanically sound condition anyway. So yeah, we'll continue with the strip down. So just a quick note, when I got this, the flywheel was there. Man, that's strong. But the starter and ignition coil, all that assembly, that wasn't. So I have ordered that in, and that come from the States. That, along with the carburetor, the bleed valve, the intake boots, yeah, and a good few of the bits actually, I've all got in from the States from a guy who's actually breaking an IT490. So yeah, this didn't come with it originally.
Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone.
This clutch actually seems quite good because very little notching there. Let me see if I slide these plates out a little bit so you can see. I mean, yeah, it's a little bit. I've seen worse. I've seen a lot worse than that. I had this loosened already, by the way. This might need a little persuasion. I'm gonna go very easy with this. I'm just all around. There we go. Start to move. If it looks like I'm pushing this a bit too much, I'm not. I'm going very gentle. I'm more than likely, well, I am going to replace these studs. See, I wonder can you get titanium studs like I had for the CR500. Be a nice board, a nice little kit. Anyways. want to leave that bit of gasket there. Not that it would damage it, but better have it than not. So, got it up there, guys. Word of advice, prepare your bolts first, so you don't have to try and mess around when you're holding that engine up at the same time. Screw those bolts all the way in. I just got a little nut behind it. Just tighten it up just a little bit. Standard bolt. Okay. It should be solid. Let me just rewind a second, guys. I've got this in, but before we explain that, I should have shown earlier this rod, clutch arm rod actuator. After the ball bearing that I took out, that is behind it. I should have taken that out for you. Normally, you're going to tell which end is which. So if you see this end, it's got a small little dot in the center where the ball bearing was. The other end doesn't. So when you're putting it back together, if you want to swap it around, I suppose, to kind of give you that even wear, but you know then that the small dot on this end was on this side. Okay, so we've got the engine in, bolted all round, it's nice and stable. I'm going to start splitting it now. All the bolts are out of the crankcases, so I'm ready to start pulling it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please drop a thumbs up. It really does help me out a lot. So in part 2, you're going to see us split the case and remove the transmission, where we found a few surprises, like I said. Have a look for yourself. But until then, guys, keep it big bore, and God bless.